This is a special weather statement. For the following counties in Michigan: Lapeer, Macomb, Oakland, St. Clair, Washington, and Wayne. At 3:51 p.m., the Doppler radar was tracking gusty showers along a line extending from near Brown City to Winfield near Dixboro. Movement was east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down trees and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Warren, Ann Arbor, Livonia, Troy, Southfield, Taylor, St. Clair Shores, Pontiac, Novi, Port Huron, Romulus, Ypsilanti, Mount Clemens, New Baltimore, Flatlock, Saline, Milan, Richmond, St. Clair, and Cross Lake. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile markers 27 and 92. I-275 between mile markers 8 and 29. I-94 between mile markers 171 and 273. I-96 between mile markers 157 and 192.